Garage using a WB250, a water-based epoxy system from Sealcrete, Rust-Oleum. We're going to apply a base coat of WB250. We're going to apply an intermediate coat of WB250 with flakes broadcast into it, and we're also going to top coat it with the WB250 clear coat to lock everything down and give him a nice protection for what he invested in. Did this floor using WB250, the water-based epoxy, with a partial flake, a heavy partial flake, and then we top coated with the WB250 clear epoxy. And now we're going to let it cure, and he's going to be able to get back on it in 72 hours with his cars.
Here just had my floors done, and I think they did a fantastic job, so I just wanted to thank them. It looks fantastic.